Welcome to eSchool Online. Today I will discuss an important essay. Today's topic is citizenship. So let us start. The main points are definition of citizen and citizenship, two views of a citizen's privileges and duties. Third one is a citizen's duties: loyalty, obedience to law, assistance to guardians of the law, intelligent interest in politics, public service, personal goodness. As the word implies, a citizen is a member of a city, but the word has also the wider meaning of a member of a sovereign state. As the American Constitution has put it, all persons born on naturalized in the United States and subject to jurisdiction thereof are citizens of the United States. Citizenship is the status of a citizen with its rights and duties. A citizen is the member of a community, whether that community is a city or a great country, and as such he has both privileges and duties. For we may think of the community as existing for the sake of its individual members, or the individual members existing for the sake of the community. Both views are true and complementary and should be combined, and a citizen must recognize that while the state he belongs to has a duty to him, he has an obligation to it. However, as we are in no danger of forgetting our privileges as citizens, it will be wise to emphasize our duties. Citizenship implies both rights and duties. The first obvious duty of a citizen is loyalty to the country of his birth or adoption. As a true patriot, he must be prepared to support and defend his country in a national crisis, even if necessary with his life. Secondly, it is the duty of a citizen to obey his country's laws. He must have to sympathy with crime, which is a breach of law. He may consider some laws imperfect, unwise, or even unjust, and he may and should use all constitutional means in his power to get such laws reformed or abolished. But so long as a law is a law, he must obey it. Thirdly, he must do more than keep the law himself. He must, as occasion arises, actively assist the guardians of the law in the performance of their duty of putting down crime and arresting criminals. Fourthly, he should take an intelligent interest in politics. For as a citizen, he has a vote and he is responsible for using that vote for the good of his country as a whole. Fifthly, he should be ready, if he has the ability and is called upon to do so, to render active voluntary service to his city or country. He may contest the elections to the municipalities, NSC, or various committees. He may take part and contest as a candidate for election to the state legislature or the parliament. Lastly, and most important of all, a citizen should strive to develop a good character for the sake of his country. The greatest thing a man can do for his city is to be a good man. This is the highest contribution anyone can make to his country. Please like this video, share this video, and don't forget to subscribe this channel for more videos. Thank you.